Hello kids, welcome back my YouTube channel. So today we are going to draw and coloring a beautiful rainbow color heart. Let's start the drawing. First I'll draw a small heart like this. Now I'm drawing second heart like this. Now I'm drawing third. Now I'm drawing fourth. Like this. Now I use black paint marker for make this video more visible. First I use purple. It's look awesome. Now I use pink. Pink is my favorite color. I use sea green. Now I use orange. Now I use dark purple for at the top. Wow, it's done. If you like my video, please like my video and subscribe my channel.